Have you ever looked at a giant airplane and wondered how something so massive can fly? Today, we're going inside a modern aircraft factory to discover the incredible journey from raw aluminum to a fully assembled passenger jet. Let's take off. The process begins with lightweight aluminum and advanced carbon fiber materials. Huge machines cut every panel with incredible precision because even the smallest error could affect the aircraft's performance. Now it's time to build the giant skeleton of the aircraft. Massive fuselage sections are carefully joined together using thousands of precision fasteners. Every connection must be incredibly strong because this airplane will face extreme pressure and weather conditions thousands of meters above the ground. With the aircraft body complete, it's time to attach the wings and tail. These giant components are lifted into place by powerful overhead cranes while engineers carefully align every connection. Even the tiniest misalignment can affect the aircraft's performance, so every measurement is checked again and again before the final bolts are secured. Now comes one of the most exciting moments in aircraft production. Powerful jet engines, each weighing several tons, are carefully attached beneath the wings. At the same time, the landing gear is installed, allowing the aircraft to safely take off and land thousands of times during its lifetime. Every bolt is tightened with incredible precision because safety is always the highest priority. With the engines and landing gear in place, it's time to transform the aircraft into a comfortable passenger jet. Skilled technicians install the cockpit's advanced flight controls, navigation displays, and communication systems. Inside the cabin, rows of seats, overhead luggage bins, lighting, air conditioning, and entertainment systems are carefully fitted. The empty aircraft slowly becomes ready to welcome hundreds of passengers. The aircraft is almost ready, but first it gets its signature look. Inside a massive paint hangar, advanced robotic spray systems and skilled painters apply multiple protective coatings and the airline's colorful design. Once the paint dries, the airplane enters a series of strict quality tests. Engineers inspect every system, from the engines and brakes to the navigation computers and emergency equipment. Every detail must pass before the aircraft can leave the factory. Before carrying its very first passengers, every aircraft must prove it's ready for the skies. Experienced test pilots perform a series of flight tests to evaluate takeoff, landing, climbing, turning, braking, and emergency systems. Engineers monitor thousands of live performance readings from the ground. If even one system doesn't meet the required standards, the aircraft returns for inspection before flying again. Safety is never left to chance. After successfully completing every inspection and flight test, the aircraft is finally ready for delivery. Engineers perform one last walk-around while the airline's representatives carefully inspect the plane. Once everything is approved, the aircraft is officially handed over to the airline. Soon it will begin carrying passengers across countries and continents. It's incredible to think that what started as raw metal and thousands of individual parts has become one of the safest and most advanced machines ever built.